Albums. And I want to show you something I did with paper from my design team collection. This paper was from the God Bless America collection by Carta Bella. And if you've used Carta Bella paper before, you know that it is a nice heavyweight paper with a beautiful texture. And it sort of reminded me of canvas. And after I had made my 4th of July mini album, I had this sheet left over. I really didn't know how to use this in the mini album. When originally the paper was pretty white, and it did have this side on it, so I could have used that. And I could have used that too, but I just thought, I'm going to think about this. So I made this mixed media piece. I had taken some cream beige paint and just sort of put it over there to tone down the writing. So again, that was the original. And then you can see how it's toned down just by putting the paint on. I wanted to still see that it was lyrics for the Star Spangled Banner, but again, not real heavy. And then I took a piece of scrap paper and made a little template. I think it was about 2.5 by about 4, and drew the rectangles and just rounded them at the top. And then I painted this in a white color, just to bring it out against the off-white below. I added some red stripes at sort of a bevel, painted this whole thing blue, painted stars on. I didn't use any template for the stars. As you can see, they're not perfect, but that's okay. They don't have to be perfect. And then I did paint on some flowers, but I thought, if you don't feel like painting the flowers, add flowers from your stash or get flowers that coordinate with this paper, some nice red, white, and blue flowers. I just had some white flowers in my stash and I put on some light yellow decorative gems on it and sort of made a little mixed media piece. I thought this would be great just as a decoration for Memorial Day or 4th of July, but it also would be good if you had someone served in the military or a picture of a parade. You could just put that right here. So again, something a little different. And if you do get the paper collection, I'm not sure if it's still available at Country Craft Creations, but I'll put a link in the description box below and check it out. I think this paper is still available. And I took my inspiration from this cut apart. I just thought that gave me some good ideas. So again, something a little different, but I thought you would enjoy seeing a little mixed media piece. So again, all supplies are available at Country Craft Creations. I'll put the link for that in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.